Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Bose Ultra Open wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these earbuds not connecting to your device, or if they're not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if you're setting them up on a new device and you just want to delete all of the pairing history so that you can get a fresh start. This will do that. It's quite easy to do. All you need to do is put your earbuds back in the case and leaving the case open as shown here. And then you're just going to press and hold the button on the back of the case for 20 seconds until the earbuds status light blinks white 2 times, slowly blinks blue, and then turns off. Once you do that, you can repeat this process 2 more times and it will fully reset these Bose earbuds to their factory default out-of-the-box settings.